Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some new range of products from Lotus Organics. So the products I have are Hemp Youth Glow Blissful Serum and the Hemp Youth Glow Creme. We have used all sorts of oils for our skin, ranging from coconut oil to argan oil. But I'm going to be talking about the it oil in skincare, that is hemp seed oil. It is derived from the seeds of the hemp plant and used in large quantities in nutritional supplementation and skin oils. So I'm going to be listing out some of the skincare benefits of this oil. So the first one being it locks in moisture. So this oil is high in omega acids, and which can repair the barrier of the skin and form a seal over the skin that can help lock in the moisture. So the second one being attracts moisture. So it is a good humectant and it can attract moisture to the skin. Third one being anti-inflammatory. The same omega acids that I mentioned in the first point can help lower the inflammation of the skin. So the next point being soothing the skin. So hemp seed oil, which is rich in fatty acids, can help heal and soothe inflamed skin. So the last one being that it moderates oil production. So hemp seed oil is suitable for most skin types, and it prevents dryness because it moisturizes your skin pretty well. And this could also help people with oily skin, because dryness in your skin can actually make your skin overproduce oil, which can ultimately lead to acne. So incorporating an oil like this can moisturize your skin and thereby balancing out the oil production of your skin and thereby reducing acne. So those are pretty much all the key points that I wanted to state about this particular ingredient. Now let's move on to the product itself. First one I want to be talking about is the Hemp Youth Glow Blissful Serum. This is what the packaging of the serum looks like. So different product range from the brand has a certain color associated with it. This is what the actual product looks like. So it has a pump, so you have a more controlled application. And when you pump it out, you get this lightweight serum that instantly absorbs into your skin. So the Hemp Youth Glow Blissful Serum is formulated with 100% organic certified cold pressed hemp seed oil and organic shatavari, a combination of which can lock in moisture, hydrate your skin and add anti-aging benefits as well. So I feel this serum can be used by all skin types, especially even during summer months, because it's very lightweight and it doesn't make your face look a little too oily, but in turn could brighten your skin and make it feel soft and supple. So you can use the serum morning and nighttime in combination with the Youth Glow Cream. So that takes us to the next product, that is the Hemp Youth Glow Creme, and this is formulated with 100% certified organic cold pressed hemp seed oil, ashwagandha, almond oil and aloe vera juice. So this can uplift your skin, keep it firm, supple and glowing. So this cream, like the serum, is very lightweight. It absorbs into your skin pretty well and it doesn't make it feel heavy and sticky. It absorbs well into the skin and gives a radiant glow. So both these products do have a distinct scent to it, something that I cannot put to words, but yeah, they do have a distinct scent to it. So yeah, those were my thoughts about these products, and let me know what you are looking to try and what you want to try out. I will leave all the links in the description box below along with the coupon code. So the coupon code you can use on the website for 10% discount. And so yeah, let me know what you think about these products and what you are looking to try. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.